Welcome to our trigonometry series. Today, we are going to master one of the most useful shapes in geometry, the special right triangle known as the 45-45-90 triangle. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how its sides relate to each other without needing a calculator. First, let's define what this triangle actually is. It is formally called an isosceles right triangle. This name tells us two key things. First, it is a right triangle, meaning it has one 90-degree angle. Second, it is isosceles, which means it has two sides of equal length. Now, let's look at the angles. We know that the sum of all angles in any triangle must equal 180 degrees. Since we already have a 90-degree angle, that leaves 90 degrees to be split between the other two angles. Because the triangle is isosceles, those two base angles must be equal. Therefore, each one is exactly 45 degrees. In geometry, equal angles open up to equal opposite sides. Since our two base angles are both 45 degrees, the two sides adjacent to the right angle are equal in length. We call these the legs. For our calculations, we will label the length of these legs with the variable x. To find the length of the third side, the hypotenuse, we use the Pythagorean Theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Since we know our legs are equal, we can substitute both a and b with our variable x. Let's simplify the equation. X squared plus x squared equals 2x squared. To solve for c, we take the square root of both sides. The square root of 2x squared simplifies to x times the square root of 2. This is our golden key. This gives us the permanent ratio for every 45-45-90 triangle. The ratio of the sides is always 1:1 to the square root of 2. This means, if you know the leg length, you just multiply it by the square root of 2 to get the hypotenuse. Let's try a problem. Suppose we have a triangle where the leg length is 5. What is the hypotenuse? Using our ratio, we simply take the leg length of 5 and multiply it by the square root of 2. The answer is 5 times the square root of 2. It is that simple. What if we work backwards? Suppose the hypotenuse is 10 and we need to find the leg. We set up our equation, x times the square root of 2 equals 10. To isolate x, we divide 10 by the square root of 2. After simplifying, we get 5 times the square root of 2. Why does this matter? You see these triangles everywhere. If you cut a square sandwich diagonally, you make two of them. In baseball, the diamond is a square, so the throw from home plate to second base cuts across the diagonal. Engineers use this 45-degree angle constantly in trusses and bridges for stability. To summarize, remember two things. The angles are 45, 45, and 90. And the sides are always in the ratio of 1, 1, and the square root of 2. Master this ratio, and you will be able to solve these geometry problems instantly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.